First gen Camaro here at Unique, especially in classics. This is a nice looking one too, folks. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is an RS SS Tribute. Nice looking coupe. Now, according to the gentleman that owned this car since 1978 is when he bought it, he had passed along to the current owner. This was originally an RS car. Unfortunately, without paperwork, window sticker, what have you, not going to be able to confirm or deny that. In the long run, it's been turned into an RS SS Tribute, and that's the way we're representing it. Nice looking car. This one looks as good in person as it does the pictures and on the video. Another question that everybody's going to have right off the get-go, those headlight doors, they are vacuum, and yes, they work. I'm going to start it up. You're going to hear it run. We're going to check out the engine bay, interior, everything else in this car, and I'll click on the lights for you too so we can check that out. Now, before I go any further, I want to let you know about still pictures. So you can see the underside of this car, the engine bay, the interior, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. All right, let's start off with paint. This isn't originally a garnet red car, 5252 as far as the paint code goes, so it would have been garnet top to bottom. Also at a 711 trim code, that would be black standard interior. And this one, 350 stroked, 425 horse engine underneath the hood. Now, as far as paint, you're going to find a few little spots. I mean, this car, it has been driven. There's a few little spots, if I can get them to show up at all hardly. Just a little touch up. Nothing major, but I want to point that out. You might have a couple little spots where I don't know if you can even see that. I mean, it's tough. I'm being pretty fussy, but this is a nice car, and I want to represent it as fairly as possible for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Chin spoiler down there. I mean, just great look. This car has been lowered at all four corners. You're going to notice that with the stance. Power steering, power brakes, drives out nice. Let's go ahead and take a look down passenger side of this car. You can see the paint has a nice reflection coming off of it. So nice luster to the paint, and you see the car is straight. Again, some SS badging on there, not claiming a true SS, and again, you need paperwork anyway. All right, interior, here we go. Standard vinyl interior. Center console with your gauge cluster. Gauges do work in this, as well as the stereo. It was a factory AC car, no longer AC. Wanted more of that muscle car, the way the AC went. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Underneath the hood, a few other things you're going to see when we open it up. It does have an aluminum radiator, electronic ignition. It is also an Edelbrock EFI, so electronic fuel injection. We'll check that out in a little bit, let you hear it run. It's a good sounding car. Again, it's got to be quick. That 350 putting out some horsepower underneath the hood. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down this driver's side before we check out the interior and start it up. As you can see, it's riding on the BF Goodrich radials with the rally style wheels. Great look on these Camaros. It's the way it should look. Sorry, people with Kragers on them out there. All right, look at that paint. Again, nice reflection, nice luster. Now, I'm not a Camaro expert, but I believe the RS was a style package, and I believe a lot of this trim, this bright work around the wheel wells, simulated vent, chrome drip rails, I believe that would have been on the RSs, as well as those headlight doors. But again, don't tear me apart too bad. I'm not a Camaro expert. Just want to tell you about this particular one right here. All right. Real quick on the rear end too. Want to let you know it does have a 12-bolt rear end, 373 gears. All behind that 4-speed manual transmission. All right, door panels look good. Seats in this one in nice shape. I'm going to go ahead and lay the seat belt down to the side. A little easier getting in and out. Don't see any rips, tears, much of any wear at all in the vinyl. Headliner on this one also. Try to keep the glare off here for you. Headliner on this one also in nice shape. All right, let's fire this up. Your electric fuel pump. There's the radio. Radio does work, and like I said, wipers work. It does have a couple aftermarket gauges in the original cluster. See how easy it starts. All right, let her warm up just a tad here. Build up a little vacuum too. I'm going to pull those headlights on. All right, interior lights do work here too. You can see the green background. Gauges in the cluster down there working. This is electric fan switch. We're going to go ahead and click that on. All right. First of all, let's look around up to the front here. See, the headlight doors are open. I did notice when I closed the driver's side one over here earlier, it closes. It's just a little bit slower, but worked fine. Slip around to the back here. I'll let you hear this one run. Again, according to the previous owner, stroke 350 in it. Nice little cam, great sound. And you can see the underside pictures. Check out the exhaust, fans, frame, everything in the underside pictures. I'm going to tell you where to check those out here at the end of this video. Right now I'm going to pause it. Let's pop this hood. I want you to take a look.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's the Edelbrock electronic fuel injected system. Headers. Again, power steering, power brakes. Electronic ignition. Hear that electric fan running. There's the aluminum radiator. Got a nice fan shroud on there, help keep it cool. Nice setup underneath there. Cowl hood is functioning, so that air cleaner is wide open. Tubular control arms down here again. See that? Again, this car's been lowered, so it's got a great stance. Heater hose is all hooked up and everything on it. First gen Camaro. Garnet red, original color. 350 underneath the hood, 1969. Give us a call, 507-386-1726 is the number. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this down below this video. In the description will take you to the website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.